Welcome to this week's craft. This week we're going to be making a Mother's Day card. Let's go ahead and get into it. You're going to need a big blue piece of paper, white piece of paper, and some stickers. And then a black marker and a glue stick. First, we're going to go ahead and fold up an airplane with the white piece of paper. First, we're going to go ahead and fold it in half. And then take one corner and fold it into the middle. And then take the other corner and fold it into the middle. After that, we're going to go ahead and fold it again on both sides, into the middle. And make sure you crease it well. And then go ahead and fold the middle. Now let's go ahead and also fold the sides to make the wings. And there you go, you have a plane. Now let's get the blue piece of paper and fold it in half. Now you're going to want to glue one of the sides of the airplanes to the card. Once you have glued it, go ahead and put it on the card and make sure that it's stuck into the card well. So here's where you can use your creative genius to make a super cool card for your mom. We decided to create a trail using a marker and stickers with hearts on ours, but you can do whatever you want. Last but not least, remember to write your mom a beautiful letter showing your gratitude towards her. Well, that's all for this week's craft. Thanks for watching.